Very happy. And nagsimula na kasi kami dati. We did a song called Bagong Siglo.
Correct.
With Glock 9 also.
And history was made.
Yes. And then the records of OPM was shattered.
The earth is still shaking. Basta, whatever genre, you can always mix it. It's just the way you put it together, the way you make it mix. And the way Christian did it was great, you know. When I heard the song, I thought it was perfect. So the only way to do it is just to keep contributing, you know, as a musician, to keep contributing music. That's it. You just keep filling that gas tank or whatever with more stuff. And I guess working with whoever wants to work with you and try to expand the genre and just try to add more stuff to it. That's the only thing.
I agree. I concur.